B.E.A. family, what is happening? Out here today, we're gonna do some renovation to this garden box here. It's really outdated. The wood is really outdated. And since we can't afford to get a new one, we're just gonna touch this up and repaint it. Alright, so just a little closer up look for you. We didn't have a paint stick, so my dad had me use an old bat. Gets the job done. I weed whacked here to try to get as much grass clippings up as much as possible before I painted. I should probably tape down there, but hey, it's grass, so really what does it matter? Alright, so about 70% done with the first coat here. Coming along pretty nice, I'd say. It is hot as a mother out here, guys, for sure. So just wanted to film a simple project that anyone can do at home. If they're bored, you know, if they want to renovate a little bit, why pay someone if you could just do it yourself? Get a can of paint, wooden baseball bat here to mix up your paint, a paintbrush, some good music, and you're good to go, guys. Alright, finished product. I think it came out pretty nice. A little bit more brown than I thought it would be, but it still has to dry, of course, so I think it came along pretty nice for sure. I'm happy with it. Alright folks, so there you have it. I had to come inside because it's hot as hell out there. I was out there enough today with painting and cutting the lawn. Finally can get back to moving a little bit with my foot, so it's feeling great. I'm excited. Just wanted to show you guys what you can do around your house. You know what I mean? If you're free and you have the time and you want to renovate. So I thought that was a pretty cool, simple project that I've been wanting to do for a while. Glad I got you guys involved in it to check it out. And feel free to subscribe if you'd like for future content. And I'll catch you guys later. Believe, excel, achieve. Peace.